Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here, the question before us is, what is 83 base 10 in base 7? That is, what will be the value of this 83 base 10 in a number in the base 7 system? Already we have this in the decimal form, so we don't have much to do, but the only thing that we have to do is to divide this base 10 number by the required base, which is 7, right, while considering all the remainders. To do that, we will simply apply the long division method in order to have a neat work, right? This is our dividend, and this will be 7 will be our divisor, right? Okay, now we want to divide the 3 by 7. How many 7s are we gonna get in 83? If you find this difficult, or you are struggling to know the exact number, just look at a particular number close to 83 that will be divisible by 7, simply. And if you look at it, 77, right? 77 is close to 83. And if you say 83 minus 77, that will give you what? Yeah. What will be the required answer there? That will be 6. Is that what? Is that also? And this 6 is not up to 7, right? So that tells us that our quotient here will be 11, right? While our remainder will be 6. 7 multiplied by 1 here, that will be 7, and 7 that will be 77. Isn't also? So 83 minus 77 will give us a remainder of 6. Next, we have to divide this by 11 by 7 again. How many 7s are we going to get in 11? For sure, that is 1. 1, yes. And what is the remainder? Here, the remainder is 4. Right? The remainder is 4. 7 multiplied by 1 will give you 7. 7 plus 4 will give you 11. Now, we have to divide 1 by 7 again. How many 7s are we going to get in 1? That will be 0 7s. Yes, 0 7s. Now, what will now be our remainder? That is 1. 0 times 7 will give you 0, right? Plus 1, that will give you 1. Your dividend. Okay, the last thing is what? To get the exact number in base 7. So our 87 base 10 will be equal to what? Yeah, should I pause the video and ask you? But before then, please kindly subscribe to our channel, like and share this simple great learning to individuals that it might benefit, please. Now, to get your final answer, you have to read the remainders from the last remainder. That is, from the last remainder, you have to read the remainders and write it down. So this will be 1, followed by the next remainder, which is 4, followed by the next one, which is 6, right, in base 7. So this is the exact number. That is, our 87 base 10 is equal to 146 in base 7. If you want to check this out, whether this 146 base 7 is equivalent to 87 in base 10. Do you know what to do, right? Yes. If you know what to do, let me know in the comment section. All right. One love.